Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm so excited because I'm participating in a collaboration hosted by At Home with Zane, and it's called My Tray Display. So in this collaboration, Zane asked us to take a tray that we have and do a display, and the only required items are number one, a tray, and number two, you have to use some type of vase or a vessel to place items in. So I was so excited to participate in this collaboration because I love to use trays to create little vignette displays throughout my home. And so in this video, I'm going to share 3 different looks for you guys. And so if you're interested, keep watching. But first, let me encourage you to go over to Zane's channel to be sure to check out his channel. I know Zane has a beautiful display that he will be sharing. And also, he has a playlist of all of the other participants. Alrighty guys, thank you so much and keep watching. So this is my first tray display. And as you can see here, this is on my coffee table in my living room. And I've decided to display a candle that I actually purchased from Walmart, and it's called By the Fire, which is more of a winter type candle, but it smells really nice. And because it's kind of chilly outside still, I thought this would be perfect. And more than anything, I especially like the fact that the color of it kind of reminds me of the color of the moss in my vases. And so that's why I chose this candle to display. And as you can see, I also have the candle placed on a beautiful crystal base, vase, base. I have the candle displayed on a beautiful crystal base there. I should also mention that my silver tray is a tray that I've had for many years, which I purchased from Ross. And in the background, you'll see I have a beautiful boxwood ball there, just to complete my look. And for the centerpiece of this display, I have these beautiful vases that you guys saw me haul a few months back. And I will include that video to haul from Burlington's in the iCards above, and it will be in the description box down below. But usually I use these vases as, I usually fill them with candy during the holiday seasons, but this time I decided to use them to display my succulents that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And as you can see, I just place moss in the bottom of the vases and then just place my succulents throughout. I think this display turned out so lovely. It's very simple, but also impactful. Okay, now I will show you guys another tray display that I have on my kitchen island. I think this look is very beautiful. Okay, and here is another tray display that I have on my kitchen island. And I'll start at the bottom here with the tray, which is a beautiful silver tray with that is outlined with a grapevine pattern. And I actually thrifted this beautiful tray a couple of years ago. And I cannot remember the price, but I want to say it was probably $5. And it is a very large tray, as you guys can see. And I also adorned the tray with this super cute little birdie that I purchased from the gift shop in my office building. And if you guys have been following my channel, you will remember that I did haul this beautiful vessel from Ross. And as you can see, it has a base here. As you can see that there. And so it's just covered a bit by all of the moss. So it looks like a large bowl, but it's like a vase vessel, I guess. And so I have it adorned with some beautiful apples that I also hauled from Ross that look absolutely real, but they are artificial. I think they look so beautiful. And I decided to keep in the theme of my natural look, like in the past look that I just showed you guys. So I wanted to kind of keep things cohesive. And so I just added a little bit of succulents that I purchased from the Dollar Tree in with my apples. This look was actually inspired by a centerpiece that I saw in a video that was created by Styled by Casanova. And so I thought, I think I could recreate that look, and I think it turned out really nicely. Also, as you can see here, I have another mercury glass candlestick there, which is displaying my beautiful candle. And again, I wanted to keep it in the earth tone colors for this spring, and so that candle is was purchased from Kirkland's, and I can't remember the name of it, but it's also a winter candle, but it is nice for the spring, especially with these chilly days of spring. But I think this turned out really nicely as a second look, and this is on my kitchen island. Okay guys, and now I have one more look that I will share with you guys, and it's going to be on my coffee table, excuse me, on my end table. So I'll be right back to show you guys that look. Okay guys, and this is my final look, and in this display, as you can see, I'm using a gold tray, which is also an item that I purchased from Ross years ago, so I can't not remember the price of it. But as you can see here, I am using this tray to corral my lamp that's on this end table, as you can see that there. And I also included this beautiful milk glass bowl. I'm using it as a vase here, and I perched it atop of a glass cake plate. And I just filled it with some moss from the Dollar Tree, along with a really cute little birdie from the 99-cent store, with another succulent from the Dollar Tree with a little bit of Spanish moss, and a bunch of hydrangeas that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree. And in this display, I'm using this candle, which is called Citrus Blossom by Paper White, and it smells so pretty. And I think this look is completed by this DIY little project that I have here, which is a little vase filled with white rocks and another succulent from the Dollar Tree. Quick and easy DIY. That looks so nice together. And you can see the other display in the background there, so they all complement each other. Okay guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if so, please be sure to click the like button. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Go ahead and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so that you will be notified as to when I upload new videos. And if you're my faithful family members, thank you so much for watching and for all of your support. It is greatly appreciated. Okay guys, thank you so much, Zane, for hosting this collaboration. It was so much fun, and as you can see, I love using trays, so this one was really easy for me. I would encourage you guys to be sure to go over to Zane's channel to check out his video and the videos of all of the other participants. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.